Hi, in this episode, this is the last episode from this series, we want to fix everything. So the first page looks okay. Here on this table of contents we see some problems. For example, this alphabetical index and bibliography, they are not included. So we have to do something. Another thing is here chapter 2. This is not chapter 2 at the end of the document. So let's fix that. So let's see. Let's fix the alphabetical index level. So let's click on that. Here is the index. We have to be sure that they have level 1. So let's go to outline, level 1. Okay. Let's do the same thing for alphabetical index. Let's fix it to level 1. And now let's update. Oh, it's not from here. It's because we didn't include it in the table of contents. So let's solve the second problem with chapter. I inserted a page break with the first page, so I don't have the header here. So chapter 2 ends here, and now I have an empty page here. Now let's fix the first problem. So let's see, let's edit the index. So the problem is that I didn't assign this style index heading here to be level 1. So bibliography, let's move to level 1. Index heading, the same, level 1. Okay, let's check. So it's here, alphabetical and bibliography. Also, we need table of figures here to be included. So let's change. It's level 1, but it's not included in the index. So let's see. Figure index heading should be level 1. Figure index heading, okay. Now it's here. So we fix this problem here. Okay, so everything looks fine until page 2. Let's see more what we have in this project. Let's check everything. This is a final video, so we want to be sure everything looks fine. Let's check. It's on page 4, it's correct. Chapter 1, it's indeed chapter 1. Here we don't have the same header like in portrait pages, so let's do the same steps like in a previous video where we inserted a table. So let's do the same thing here. Let's center and let's bring that header from there here. Let's copy, let's paste it. Okay, it's very good. Problem is I have the caption here on top. I don't want that, so we have to fix that. Let's write for the moment here, but I will remove this caption. I don't want the caption to be here. Okay, so let's insert a caption here. Let's right click, insert caption. Let's write my caption. Okay, let's go to check. I have two captions, one here and one here. So this one we need to remove. It's gone. So now here I have the header and here I have the caption. So everything looks fine. We fix another problem. Also I have the header here. Everything looks fine. Let's insert another table. Looks good. The caption is on top, it's above as we want. It's automatic. Another thing I want to explain you and want to check is to be sure to have for subtitle, for example, to have an option checked. Imagine that I delete this text and this subtitle is moving here alone without this text. So it's not good. In order to do that, to stay together with text, so subtitle with text, we have to check something. So let's go here. You have to be sure in text flow, keep with text, it's checked for subtitles, for example, for this one. So let's see if I enter another subtitle here. Let's make this subtitle. Okay, if I press enter here now, it's going together with the text, so it's not staying alone on the text on another page. So this looks good, but a subtitle with no text on a end line is not looking good, professional. So you have to check that. So everything looks good. This is the end of the series about creating books in LibreOffice Writer. Of course, there are complicated things. Of course, there are bugs, but you have to do things as you can in your project. So search on documentation on YouTube. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.